If you can watch this entire video without clicking away, your attention span is probably better than 99% of the population. So, I'm going to challenge you. Just stay with me. Just for a little bit, okay? Focus. Just for a second. Good job. Our attention span is cooked. Not damaged, just trained. Poorly trained, in the wrong way. Trained to crave quick hits, constant switching between apps and photos and Instagram and Snapchat and Facebook, just constant stimulation. That is literally what we're seeking time and time again. And the thing is, these tiny little things, they add up. What these are tiny little rewards that feel good in the moment, but over time end up being very bad for you. Very bad for your attention, leaving you with no options but to scroll, to seek stimulation. And you know exactly what I mean. You pick up your phone because you get a notification, and 8 minutes later, you're stuck in some rabbit hole about cars or jewelry or whatever you guys are into. I don't know. You start a task and immediately get distracted. You decide, this is boring. I want to do something else. You can't even watch a show without touching your phone. You're just constantly looking for something else. And look, I'm not here to yell at you. Your brain isn't broken. It's just overstimulated. And there's a very simple fix for it. And no, the fix isn't downloading a focus app or forcing you to read several books about stopping. It's none of that. And it actually starts with the opposite. If you want your attention span back, you need to teach your brain how to be bored again. Instead of reaching for something, you sit in stillness and accept that this is what we're doing right now. We're sitting still. We're not doing anything else but just sitting still. And you have to settle with that. And, you know, it's going to be hard at first. You're going to get anxious. I bet 5 minutes in, you're already reaching for your phone. And I know it sounds dumb, but being in stillness, it helps us realize what we've lost. How it's like to just sit still. So here's an easy way to fix your attention span. Every day, for 20 minutes, just sit in silence. Sit still. Do nothing. No background music. No images on the television or your computer screen. Just boring silence. Stillness. Sit in your chair, stare at a wall, and just place a timer for 20 minutes. And again, at first, you're going to hate it so much. You're going to be like, I hate this guy. Why did I listen to him? This is the stupidest thing I've ever done. You're going to feel anxious, disappointed. You're going to be like, what kind of detox is this? But trust me, it will work. That discomfort that you're feeling is the detox. It's your brain rewiring itself, accepting the normal, the average, the boring, instead of fast-paced, quick hits of dopamine. If you can handle 20 minutes of stillness, something crazy happens. Tasks get easier, your mind feels quieter. All of a sudden, you're not reaching for your phone every 2 minutes, and your ability to focus slowly comes back. Now, if you've made it to this point, congratulations. You've already made so much progress. You have way more control than you think. Good job. Now go earn your attention back, 20 minutes at a time, day by day. You got this.